Hey kids, Smath here. Just want to do a real quick public service announcement here on studying and what you guys should be doing. I'm not always able to say exactly everything I'd like to in the weekly agenda, nor should I. There's no substitute for us having that face-to-face interaction. I sure wish we were having that right now. But here's what we're looking for. Please be studying some form of chemistry. I'm trying to make my assignments, but I'm also trying not to overload too much. So we've been living a lot within AP Classroom, doing the FRQs. We're going to be coming into a time where we're doing DNS reviews. You have that book. That was the book that you got at the beginning of the year that looks like this. You may not have brought it home. I'm going to be posting those questions for you up on the weekly agenda, but be working within those. If you get done with those, you want to be working more. Hey, Crash Course makes a nice little quick, short, sweet companion. Okay, guy that wrote it, Adrian Dingle, old acquaintance, good guy, good teacher. Okay, Barron's, never can go wrong. Good reference. Just keep in mind, every time you're working within chemistry, thinking about it and studying the chemistry that you think needs to be done, recognize the purpose of your studying. More isn't necessarily better, but better studying is going to be better. Study with a purpose. What's your purpose? Studying for a prose-based AP exam this year. That means you need to be able to explain concepts, not necessarily perform massive complex calculations, but be able to explain, be able to design the lab, be able to explain errors in the lab, be able to say hybridization, intermolecular forces, linked together kinetics and equilibrium. That used to be a huge thread, that there was a thread that went from equilibrium and kinetics through thermodynamics and electrochemistry. Well, we've lost the latter part of that. We're not going to get lost in the AP rubric or in the acid-base rubric or in buffers or titrations. We're not going to get lost in there. We're going to stay shallow, but we're going to look for connections between topics. So as you study, and I hope you're studying, any chemistry is good chemistry, doing more problems out of the book. Look for problems that you think are pertinent to that style. Gas laws, we've talked, and we've just talked a wee bit about those gas law problems. Are they going to be really hard calculations? No, probably not. Is there going to need to be some explanation using Dalton's law or Graham's law or some type of experimental setup where you're determining a molar mass? These are all things that I think we should focus on and try to put some time into those. Don't rely on me to be the sole purpose of your studying and your review. I'm piecing together some of what I think are the more important parts, but there's a lot more information out there. There's a lot of information in our module AP reviews that I've left visible that's there for you to work on if you want to work on it. So I'm here for you, but you need to be here for you. It's almost May, and you guys need to be really taking the brunt of the responsibility in your education at this point. So I'm Smath. I just wanted to give you a little nudge on studying. You should be about 2 weeks out of, should be just about 2 or 3 weeks outside of the test at this point. So I've got faith in you. I know with a lot of work, this is going to seem like a really easy board exam for you guys. I'm Smath, and I hope this video helped.